Welcome back to our channel.
It's the Jenn and Elizabeth show. We do hauls and nails and stuff. So if you like that, stay tuned.
Yeah!
Hi, welcome back to our channel. It's the
Jenn and Elizabeth show.
We're going to unbox this giveaway that we won from Bingo from Crystal, which is Blue Rose Nails here on YouTube. And I'm gonna like open the box, but she's gonna hand stuff to me. Or well, we could open it together on camera. So that way you guys can get a preview of what the box looks like. Okay. There's glitter. There's a glitter explosion. A glitter explosion. It says, warning, contents are full of sparkle. And then there's a card. It says, treats from your BR family. Hugs. The blue heart.
Glitter. Glitter.
Can I see? Ooh.
Rose gold.
Yeah, it's like holographic rose gold too. And it's all different sizes. I love it. Ooh, a fine mica, a mica powder. Oh, nice.
A gold.
Super nice.
Stickers.
4 pointed stars, gold, hollow gold. There's more stickers.
I know.
So,
Stickers.
got some fall leaves. And then some golden butterflies. Ooh. And then we have some decals.
We got a buffer.
Oh, I love this. I love this. That's so... Okay.
What?
It's like a cat's butt.
Buffer.
A buffer. A buffer.
Rhinestones.
Ooh. Them are pretty.
Pretty. What is this?
Some kind of
Color
gel.
gel. It's green.
It's a green gel.
Glitter.
Some more glitter chunks.
Oh my god. What is this? Mini bold
It's
color
got
gel.
different shapes and sizes in
Oh my
there.
god.
Ooh.
I wonder what color
Is that DG? Is that the brand DG?
Color gel.
I'm assuming it's going to look like the bottle. Oh, another color gel. Like a reddish.
Come on.
Red and green for Christmas. Perfect. Oh, this has got like white speckles in it.
Glossy top coat and
That's cool.
base coat.
Ooh, glossy taco and
Base
base coat. Perfect. Elizabeth needed those.
I need those.
Yeah. And then we got some
Oh my god.
foil. Oh, look at the gingerbread and Christmas foil. That is adorable. Stars. That's adorbs.
Look. Ah.
Yeah.
Life file.
It's a Lexi file. Light Elegance. It's Light Elegance. It's a 180 grit. That's nice. That's a nice file.
Is this powder?
Some more slick
Powder dip.
pour.
Dip powder.
You can use slick pour as acrylic or as dip. And it's her favorite color. And Blue Rose's favorite color.
Gel polish and soak off gel polish.
Looks like you got a gelish. It looks like gelish, but it's a green And then, I don't know what this one is. Let me open it. This one doesn't have a color on the outside. Ooh, it's a purple.
It's her favorite color.
Yeah. It's a pretty purple.
Black, pink.
You can tell this has never been opened because it's definitely clean on the rim here.
Okay. Black, pink in your area.
And your favorite color too. Black, pink, and blue.
I like
some
blue.
Stamping masks.
I like blue, black, and
Oh,
pink.
look. Some Jenn&Elizabeth polygel.
Sometimes I don't like
I think the K07 must be white. Oh, yep,
anything
it's white.
else? There is nothing else.
Let me see.
Mom, there's nothing else.
Okay. That's all we got there.
There's a lot of stuff, though.
Yeah. So we got the purple polish, the polygel, I think this, I didn't show you guys this, but it's like
You
a
guys
green.
want an ASMR?
Yes. Yeah, it's a pretty green. And then I'm making a mess of things here today. Okay. And then I didn't show you these colors. So I'll show you, we got the red polish. Ooh, that's a really pretty, vibrant red.
What about the green polish?
Uh-oh. I think the reason why these keep wanting to do that is because they were laying on their side. Then we have the green. Oh yeah, that's bright. That's vibrant. I don't think I have anything that vibrant. That red or the green. So that's perfect for this Christmas season. And then she got the base coat, the top coat, and the nude. Or it's like a yellow with little white specks in it.
Applause, applause, applause.
And then the foils. And then the striping tape. Glitter. Rhinestones. Some cute stickers. And the decals. And then the glitter. More glitter. And the file and the slick pour. Oh, and the buffer. Right? Is that it? Yeah. Looks like it all. Looks like it all. And that's it, folks. We hope you enjoyed this video. And Elizabeth is having fun making a mess over here. Until next time.
Comment.
Oh, yeah.
Subscribe and like. And lots of things. And have fun.
And if you enjoyed this video, wait till the next one.
And bye.
Until next time, bye.